Hello everyone, today I'm showing you something that I probably some of you have it too. So this has happened with GLK 350. Everything looks perfect. The car is like quite old, but this stuff has come out. This probably can't be mastic and painted, but I concerned about the small middle side. So I want to share with you how am I going to fix this. So I bought the same material. It's artificial, but I bought it from Walmart. It's very strong. It cost me about $1 for this little strip. So I'm going to use only a little part of this. It's like this. I could have just probably get it something wider, take the seat off and replace this bottom part, but I don't really want to have a problem with the disconnecting airbag. So I'm going to be, first of all, sew this together. I'll show you what I'm gonna do it. To pull it back before I'm going to glue it. The next thing I will cut pieces that are going to be exactly fit between these two seams. So I'm going to be tie them together because I don't want that to be whole. So for the glue, I'm going to use a spray adhesive. It's pretty strong. By the edges, I'm going to use this T7000. It's a liquid rubber, and I'm going to be wash this with alcohol prior, and I'll tie down with this tape. It's easy to remove, but I will gonna help pushing down mastic. Okay, that's what we have right now. So you can do any pattern, but that's the way I did. To clean, I will use nail polish remover and or acetone, and I'm gonna use a rubber alcohol first to clean all this. So it's clean from the fat, but I used the tape before, and that's residue from the tape. We'll remove with nail polisher. Don't rub too much and don't surprise, because a nail polisher will definitely remove some paint. So don't do a lot, just enough to the area gonna glue to. Okay, looks excellent to me. Now we're gonna cut piece wide enough to cover this area like this. That is going to be looks like. Okay, we'll spray adhesive outside. Okay. We're going to be use two hands. Remember, adhesive will tack really quick, so gotta work fast. And I'll show you what I'm gonna do with this stuff. Okay, I trim it edges a little bit. See, I need the scissors to get this done. I just cut another patch like this, and I will gonna spray it. And again, if you guys more creative, you can definitely cover this whole thing on this side, on that side. I need the vehicle just to drive, so I don't want my seat fall apart completely, so that's why I do a little repair. The vehicle is just something that you can drive and do your thingy. Okay, now we'll get to this super glue. I bought this to fix and repair phones, but that's like liquid rubber. It's excellent application for what am I gonna do right now. So just run around the edge, small. I will gonna work with 2 hands, just showing you process of filling this, and just never come out. Again, this is all what you need, not necessarily but optionally. And here's the repaired seat. Like I said, you can make this much more beautiful if you want, but I think it's perfect. I hope this video helped a lot. So the whole process will take about, gosh, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. That's it for repair. 20 minutes. Everything is dry. This rubberized edges block everywhere. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share my video. If you just simply like it, this will help to grow my channel. Thank you so much.